Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I got another low cap gem for you guys. Now, before I go any further, a lot of people have looked at my low cap gem list and said, hey, how come you haven't added this coin or that coin? Now, I talk about a lot of different altcoins on this channel. I always tell people that I'm all over the market. I like DeFi, CeFi, WeFi, whatever you want to call it. I'm all over this market, but the low cap gems are coins that I find below $40 million market cap. Right now that seems like a micro cap gem, but when I first started this thing, it was a low cap, below $40 million market cap with extreme potential to get above that. Extreme potential could mean anything. Weighing the risk versus reward, I see the reward being a lot bigger than the risk on these coins. Now, every coin that I pick out for a low cap gem hasn't been great, but a lot of them have been. So this coin, I know I talked to you guys about it on this channel before. I don't know if it was in a live stream or what, but I think I did a whole video on it before. Can't find it on my channel, so I'm doing it right here today. And the coin that I want to talk to you guys about today is Rio Defi. Right now ranked 761 on the CoinGecko. Current market cap according to CoinGecko is $21 million. We'll call it 22 because it's close. About 25% of the max supply is in circulation right now, but that's not too bad because a lot of those are going to be released as staking rewards over time, so that's pretty cool. Scrolling down, we can see the price of the coin is doing what all the other coins are doing in the market at this point in time. Spiked up in February and it's having a little retracement right now. But what is Rio Defi? Coming to the website, financial services reinvented. Let me scroll down right here. They say the mission: Rio Defi is a blockchain technology company. Our mission is to accelerate mass adoption of digital assets by bridging traditional and decentralized finance. Now, I like this idea. I think that, I saw some things about some banks wanting to use DeFi to offer their customers higher yield on some of the products that they have. Now, for banks, I think if you're a bank and you actually want to be good to your customers, then you might want to use DeFi to help your customers get some higher yield. So this is kind of changing the whole theory for me, seeing that, hey, if banks could offer higher yield to people, they might want to do that so that they snatch up the customers from their competitors. So bridging DeFi and traditional finance is actually good. And plus, me personally, I'm not a DeFi maximalist because I don't feel like every single person is equipped to hold their own private keys. Some people need a bank account and they need somebody to blame when they mess up, and that's just the truth, but technology at the heart of Rio Defi ecosystem is the Rio chain. So they got the Rio chain. It's cool. It says we designed Rio chain. We prioritize security, speed, scalability, interoperability. So I believe I've seen some things that said Rio chain can do about 3,000 transactions per second right now. Interoperability is a big part of it. Now, Rio Defi is built on top of Parity substrate, and they're trying to be a parachain on Polkadot. Now, there's plenty of projects that are trying to be parachains on Polkadot and Kusama. Somebody said, hey, all of them will make it eventually. Some people say none of them, most of them won't make it. So we'll see how that goes. But I think Rio Defi will still be pretty well off even if they don't make it. But their ecosystem partners are also very nice. So looking here, they have the whole ecosystem set up. You got MantraDAO with borrowing and lending and their staking platform. You got Kalen with the oracles and the stuff that they're doing over there. You got Hex Trust, Asia's leading digital asset custodian. So bridging DeFi with CeFi is gonna be, we're gonna need custody solutions. Banks and everything need to have custody solutions. Let me just explain. The Bitcoin ETF was blocked because the US said that, hey, there's no custody solutions. So now that we have more custody solutions, now we should see a Bitcoin ETF go through. But that just lets you know how important it is for some people to have somebody else custody their assets for them. You know, I don't understand it. I like to custody my own assets, but hey, it is what it is. But you got Labs. Now, Labs is another token that I really like, and I think it's pretty cool. I'll get into that in another video, but check out Labs. Somebody asked me about Alpha. I always make fun of that coin because I like the name, but yeah, Alpha, I know about that coin. Coming right here, it says Labs chooses Rio Defi to tokenize the property market. Now, Labs chooses Rio Defi to tokenize the property market. That's all you need to know. They chose Rio DeFi to tokenize the market. I will put this stuff, the article, in the description so you can check that out if you want to read into it and dive deeper into it. I always encourage you do your own research. I just like to point you to the project and you take a look and see if you want to put your hard-earned cash in there, because whatever happens to your hard-earned cash is on you. But there's a lot of other good partners that they have over here. If you come to their Twitter, you can see they have a partnership right now with Uniform, where Rio DeFi holders can stake their tokens for 90 days starting April 27th. So you're going to be able to stake some more tokens. So right now you can stake Rio on Montreal as well with pre-staking, because their mainnet is not even launched yet. Ding ding ding, mainnet not even launched yet. When mainnet launches happen, you know what happens to the price of those tokens sometimes. Had to throw that in there because we don't know what the overall market is going to do. But Rio currently uses a proof of authority. What does that mean? Become a validator and earn incentives for retaining a positive reputation. The last thing that I wanted to talk about Rio today in this video was this right here. We're excited to announce a partnership with Plasma Pay to kick off the launch of Plasma Swap, its new platform. We are opening the Rio DeFi Plasma Swap USDT rfuel, a liquidity pool to trade and earn and liquidity mine right now. So there's plenty of ways to use your tokens within DeFi right now for Rio DeFi. Of course, it's in the name, but bunch of cool things coming in the future for Rio DeFi. Bunch of nice partnerships. Check out the website. Check out the Rio wallet. A lot of venture partners. Right here we can see some of the good ones that we see in most of the good crypto projects would be Moonrock Capital, Plutus VC, Amplify right there. Those are some of the ones that I know just from seeing them so much and the great projects that have done well for me in the past and from my other low cap gems list. But Kalen and Montreal are also on my low cap gem list. So, you know, and I like Chainlink and Bluezell. So this ecosystem is looking pretty great over there with the Rio DeFi, and I'm excited to see what these projects start doing as the Polkadot parachain hype starts to pick up again. So let me know what you guys think about Rio Fuel today, the last day for you to put your picks in the comment box for me to go ahead and check them out and do a community coin video for this weekend. As far as the price of Bitcoin, looks like it wants to kind of bounce up a little bit, but hey, like I keep saying, as long as we're above 42, we can try to stay happy. When I say it's profit taking seasons, when for me, when my coins pump, I'm going to take profit because I don't want to take losses coming down too much. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, share the video, help me get this channel to 10K. Till next time, peace.